Hi everybody, welcome back. Here is the Saxon lesson for today. Today is September 1st, 2020. We're going to go ahead and start with practicing our picture cards and then our letter cards. Alright, so we have apple, I need you to repeat after me. Acorn, A. Elephant, E. Equal, E. Inch, E. Icicle, I. Octopus, O. Overalls, O. Umbrella, A. Unicorn, U. I'm going to go over the coding. The coding, this is called a breve. A breve you put on letters that make the short vowel sound, which is A. It does not say its name. The macron goes on the letters. It's like a straight line. That's the coding for a macron. That's how a macron looks. And you put it over the letters that say their names, their long vowel sounds. So they say A. Okay. Again, remember yesterday I told you guys that we were going to memorize. We have to memorize our vowels. So vowel, that's A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. We're not doing sometimes Y now, so maybe I should omit that. So let's try that again. Vowel, A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Okay? So that's why our letter cards are vowels. So we're focusing on vowels and consonants. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are anything that is not A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So A, you have to say A, E, repeat E, I, O, U, U. Those are our vowels. I'm sure most of you guys know this, but it's a good review, okay? All right, so take out your paper that looks like this. It says worksheet 2 on there, review of vowels. Okay, so what we're doing today is we are reviewing our vowels. I work with pen so you can see it, but you always work with pencil. Nope, and now my pen doesn't want to work. It's weird. It's okay. All right, here we go. Vowels. So what we're going to do first is they want us to circle all of the capital letter vowels here. Here we're going to circle all the lowercase vowels. So let's go through and all the capital vowels. So we know it's A, E, I, O, and U, but there's no U in this box. So we're just going to stick with A, E, I, O. Okay? Now in this box, we're going to go ahead and circle all the vowels we missed the first time, all the lowercase vowels. So O, E, A, and U are vowels, and those are lowercase. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters. Uppercase vowels, lowercase vowels. Now, on the bottom, we're going to circle all the vowels, regardless if it's uppercase or lowercase. So all of the vowels, we're going to circle them here. So we're going to circle A, E, I, A, we have O, and U. So you're going to circle those. This is a 1. That's weird. Why did they put a 1 here? It's random. I, J, S, Q, P, F, L, I, S, and Q. Those are all consonants. So we are only working on the vowels. So now we're going to go ahead and write all of our vowels, and then we're going to code them using the short vowel sound coding, which is the breve. Good job. Okay, so here we go. We're going to write A, E, I, O, U, and then we're going to code those with a breve. All I did is write the vowels and I coded those with a breve. Now I'm going to write the vowels again, but these are going to be the long vowel sounds. So I'm going to write them again. A, E, I, O, U, but then I'm coding them with a macron, because a macron is the long vowel sound. That means the letter says its name. Okay. Miss Yusuf, all 11 through 15 is blank. That's okay. Leave it blank. No problem. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to the back. These are high frequency words. That means these are the words that you should know how to read by now. So what you're going to go, and you're going to do the same as what I told you to do yesterday. You're going to go through and read each word. And if you know how to read it, check it off. If you don't, then you need to practice reading it, and then you can check it off. Then you're going to cover it up and practice spelling it. So I'm going to give you an example. Was. Okay, I read it. Check it off. I'm going to cover it up, and then I'm going to spell it. W-A-S. Okay, did I spell that right? Yep, I did. Check off spell. So let's say the word you. I said you, and then I checked off that I read it correctly. But then I have to spell it, and I have to cover it up, and I'll say WXV. I don't know. I don't know how to spell you. Let's just say. Okay? For example. And then you're going to say, oh, I don't know how to spell it, so you're going to have to write you 3 times each here. All the words you're not sure how to spell or you spelled it incorrectly, I need you to write 3 times each here. Okay? All right. Awesome. And that's it. That's all you're going to do today. Do not start worksheet 3. That's for tomorrow. That's consonants. We're working on that tomorrow. Okay? All right. See you guys later. Bye.